This video shows how to use the Blue Sky Biosafety Stop Drill Kit.
The drills in this kit are color-coded for length and width. The colored line on top represents the diameter of the drill. The colored line below represents the drill length.
For this video, the protocol for the example of 4.1 mm diameter by 10 mm length internal hex implant has been chosen.
A flap is raised and the alveolar bone is exposed.
The pilot osteotomy is made with the 2 mm by 10 mm stop drill with copious irrigation. The stop portion will prevent advancement beyond 10 mm. The recommended speed is 800 to 1200 RPM. Notice, the 2 mm pilot drills have only a marking line for length and no marking line for the diameter.
The next drill is 2.5 mm by 10 mm. The osteotomy is continued with a 3 mm by 10 mm drill. If the bone is soft, then you can skip the final drill and proceed directly to the placement of the 4.1 mm by 10 mm internal hex implant. The aggressive threads, self-tapping, and tapered features of the implant will compress the bone to create good primary stability. If the bone is of normal or hard density, the osteotomy is enlarged with the 3.9 mm by 10 mm final drill. A ratchet driver is used to insert the implant with a maximum torque of 70 Nm. Alternatively, a hand-piece driver can be used to initiate the insertion of the implant. The torque should be set to maximum of 15 to 20 Nm. If necessary, the insertion is finished with a ratchet driver at a maximum torque of 70 Nm. The cover screw is inserted into the implant and the flap is sutured.